Yesterday with my mom. Many of you know I like sharing videos to encourage people. And I was talking to my mom, a powerful woman of God, and she was talking to me about an analogy that she shared with someone at her house yesterday to encourage them. And when she shared it with me, it really touched me, and I felt led to share it here on Facebook and actually do a demonstration of the analogy because somebody has been praying about some dark situations. You're out there, you've been praying about dark situations in your life, and it seems like no matter how much you've been praying, nothing's been working. Well, I want to encourage you. The Lord told me to tell you today, keep praying. It's all going to become clear real soon. So here's the analogy. You see this bottle right here? This bottle right here represents the dark situations of your life. It represents the dark stuff that you're facing right now. And notice that on the top of this bottle is a bottle cap. The Lord says in order for Him to really begin to do the work that you want done and the thing that you've been praying about, you need to take the top off. In other words, God says take the limitations off. You're expecting God to do it a certain way. You're expecting Him to answer you in certain ways. But God says take the limitations off. Take the limitations of your mindset. Take the limitations of your belief system of whether God can actually work a miracle for you, and trust Him. Take the limits off. Number two, you see this water? This water represents prayer. And this is what you've been doing. You've been praying and praying. And because everything still looks dark, you feel like, what's the use? And you give up. The number one reason why people are defeated is because they stop praying too soon. But I got news for you. The Lord told me to tell you, keep praying. And before long, what you've been praying about, it can't stay dark too long. You keep pouring your faith in God on your situation. Keep pouring your hope, your prayers, your thoughts, your belief. Stand on it. Stop backing down. Keep pouring into it. Because after a while, what was dark won't be dark anymore. You'll be able to look at your life, look at the situations that you've been praying about. It may take a moment, just like this is. And you get discouraged when you've been praying and praying and praying and praying, and you get discouraged. But sometimes you just got to be patient and keep praying about it. I know people tell you, though, don't keep praying about stuff. You know, man, that means you don't believe God. Actually, the fact that I keep praying means that I know that He's the only one who can do it. And if you keep praying long enough, before long, what was dark will become clear to you. If this video blessed you, share it with somebody else. Let them know God's going to do what He said. Before long, your dark situation will become clear.